Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to create a messy braided updo. So first, as always, we're going to take the front sections and twist them, and I am using Puff Me from Design Me and just spritzing that throughout the twist and then pulling it apart piece by piece. And I'm going to be doing this for the first couple sections of the updo. For this bottom section, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to twist it, but I'm going to use a fun little technique. So you're twisting it, pulling it apart, and then taking the ends. You take one small strand and push it up. This creates some volume and body, and it's perfect for the bottom for the fullness. So you're basically just going to be using the technique I've been using the whole time to pin that hair up. So again, you're twisting, you're pulling, and you're going to be pinning that. So it's the whole technique for the bun part of the updo. So this part's not on camera because I figure most people know how to do a basic fishtail, but you just do a fishtail on one side, and as I'm doing right here, I'm trying to find the best placement for it and the balance. So I found a good spot, and you're just gonna pin that in and see if any parts are poking out. If they are, then just go ahead and pin them. And there you have it. This is my relaxed, messy, braided updo. Perfect for brides or just a fun night out. Thanks for watching, guys.